Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how you can set alarm in your iPhone 16 Plus smartphone. So before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to simply open your clock. Here it is. Simply click on clock. Here it is alarm. You have to click on plus icon. First you have to select an hour which you want to wake up. You can see just like this. Then you have to choose minutes you want to wake up, then choose AM or PM, morning or evening, like this. Then here it is repeat option. From here you can repeat it every Sunday, every Monday, every Tuesday, every Wednesday, every Thursday, every Friday and every Saturday. You can click on this and you can also type here label, and you can change the tone of your alarm ringtone. And you will see there are lots of ringtone here, default ringtones. And if you have downloaded ringtone or tone in your smartphone, then you have to click on pick a song and you can select it from here and apply it by clicking on OK. And simply click on this snooze, enable the snooze option and click on save. And friends, you can see the alarm is set 7:30 AM. And if you want to delete it, just click on long press and delete the alarm, like this. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.